In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, launch settings and scroll to tap on advanced features. Now click on one-handed mode on the left and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Following that, use one of those options to reduce display size width. If you want to use gesture, click on it. To use button, tap on it to apply it. Wherever you decided, follow instructions below the chosen one to actually use it. So now let's double tap the home button. As you can see, after a few seconds, one-handed mode is working. Now, to change placement of it, use this icon on the left or on the right. You can also hold this line and thanks to it, drag it. To go back, click on blurry area. And to resize it, hold one of its top corners and drag it. Now, if you want to switch it off, you need to use the same, now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!